When the ancient bell at St. Gideon's Cathedral failed to chime on Easter morning, it wasn't merely a mechanical fault. It was a clue. The sexton was found unconscious beneath the bell, with a pocket watch crushed in his hand. Holmes examined the clapper chain and noted that it had been tampered with, coated in oil, causing a silent collapse. The crushed pocket watch? A message. It had stopped at precisely 5:44 a.m., the time the vault doors were unlocked. The thief was a choir boy turned con artist, aiming to steal the church's ancient relic hidden in the bell tower. "Faith may forgive," Holmes said, "but bells never lie."